and welcome to my channel. This is IT Master again. After a long time of no new videos, I got the new Samsung Galaxy Buds. They just released with the new Galaxy S10 series and the Galaxy Watch Active. This is actually the from United Arab Emirates, and it has a Bluetooth, sound by AKG. Packaging contains here seal and the model, made in Vietnam by Samsung, as the usual Samsung devices are, and the model is SMR 170. So let's move on. The Galaxy Buds. This side has the 6 hours playtime, clear call quality, wireless charging, designed for comfort and stability. This is the new boxing design, as this year all Samsung devices are coming, like the Galaxy Watch Active usually have. This is the white color. Let's get started. Okay, what we have inside this small box, I think this is, yeah, made in Vietnam. Let's open. Yeah, here we found the USB Type-C cable. As you can see, it is Type-C here. So good for this, thanks the Samsung is moved from the micro USB. So this is the USB Type-C cable, very quality, it feels nice in the hand. And these are for the replacement plugs for headphones. There are different sizes and different types actually. Yes. Okay, let's move on. And finally, the Samsung logo, sound by AKG. This is the all about rated 5 volt, 100 milliampere and 400 milliampere cable. Okay. We are open now. This is also the charger. The case is also the charger. And this is the air side. They look like to the Gear Icon X, the previous model, but they're smaller and more easy to carry and lightweight. This is the right one and this is the left one. Actually, I'm not fan of this type of wireless earbuds, because I like when they are connected with the wire, but they are something similar, like the answer for the Apple's AirPod. Okay, let's move on and try to connect them to the Samsung phone. Okay guys, now let's after they have a charging, let's try to connect to the Samsung Gear wearables. For this you need to take out the Galaxy Buds from the case, and if you take out, they will appear in the device. Device is spotted nearby, Galaxy Buds. So we are already connected, as you can see. Less Martin Galaxy Buds and new Galaxy Gear S3 is available, but headphones are here, and it's suggesting to smart unlock setup. We don't need that. If we go down, audio output and headphones, Galaxy Buds, battery 100%. So we are in. This is it, guys. Actually it is the quick unboxing of Galaxy Buds and pairing them with the Samsung Galaxy J6. So after you use them, you can just put the back to the case, and the green light shows that it is on charging mode. You close them, and here is the USB Type-C connection cable port. And when you connect it, here is the red light is lighting, and you can see that it's charging. Also, I just forgot to show you that because the papers are in new boxes, Samsung this year used to do this design. They are putting the instruction manual under the upper cover, so you don't miss when you open them. You just need to check there as well on the phones and on the Galaxy Watch, new watch as well. This is some instructions, usual instructions, and nothing more inside. This is it, guys. Stay well, stay cool. Some new video will come up, which is the Galaxy watch will be compared with the actually my Honor Magic. This is what it will come up soon. Stay well, stay cool. Bye bye. Hit like and subscribe. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers. Easy for you and useful for me. Thank you. Stay cool.